Beneath the frozen surface of Greenland, under layers of snow and silence, the United States built something never meant to be found. It was not a research station, not for rescue or weather, it was a secret. They called it Operation Iceworm. To the outside world, it was Camp Century, a Cold War outpost built by the Army in the early 1960s. Journalists were told it was a model of Arctic engineering, powered by a portable nuclear reactor, lit by soft blue lights, carved into deep tunnels beneath the ice. The United States aimed to hide nuclear missiles beneath the Arctic, hundreds of them, and no one would suspect a launch site buried in a glacier. Deep underground, linked by launch tunnels that could strike the Soviet Union in minutes, a symbol of progress in one of the harshest places on Earth. But that was only part of the truth. The reactor removed, the tunnels sealed, the ice reclaimed what was built. But in time, declassified documents revealed the truth. Iceworm was real. It never meant to be made public. Waste, chemicals, and traces of nuclear activity may rise again. What was hidden may soon return to light. Behind the science talk was a plan with sharper edges, a glimpse into how far governments pushed Cold War strategy, how science and secrecy met beneath the snow. They are frozen in time, waiting to thaw, and how a glacier almost became home to weapons that could end the world. What looked stable became a slow collapse. Camp Century was not safe, and Operation Iceworm was never truly viable. The idea was simple. Missiles hidden under ice could not be targeted. The cold would preserve them, the ice would shield them. But the plan was never shared with Denmark. Greenland was Danish territory. No permission was given, no explanation offered. Construction began in secret. Workers carved corridors through the ice with giant machines. Walls were lined with steel and plastic. Some tunnels stretched for miles. Supplies came in. The reactor was installed. To most staff, it looked like a breakthrough in Arctic design. But the ice refused to cooperate. Greenland is not stable ground. Ice moves slowly but constantly. Cracks formed. Tunnels warped. Beams bent. Eventually the project was abandoned. What remains is more than frozen steel. It is a warning. And here is the twist. Climate change is now melting the very ice that buried it all. This is not just a story about missiles. It is about control, about secrecy, about believing nature can be used as armor. Because sometimes the most chilling threats are not above ground.